How to put a wallpaper on your Google Chrome. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to make your Google Chrome more happening by adding your customized wallpaper or a picture, it is quite easy to do so. But before that, make sure to update your Google Chrome. To do so, click on the three dots and go to Settings. From the left side panel, tap on the About Chrome options and then tap on Check for Updates. Make sure that you are on the current Google Chrome and apply on any update that is available. Once you have updated the Google Chrome, you will see an interface like this. After this, you can go to the New tab and then you will see the Customize Chrome option on the bottom right. Tap on it and you will see different types of themes. Click on the option of Change Theme, which will give you a list of themes available. But instead, you can choose to keep a wallpaper by tapping on the option of Upload Image. Now you can choose on any image that you want to keep as a wallpaper of the Google Chrome and then tap on Open. After this, you will notice that the image has been added as a background wallpaper on your Google Chrome. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.